Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this Vantech H1 crossbar ladder rack we have installed here on our GMC Savana cargo van. I want to give you a few reasons on why this ladder rack may be the best for you. Number one, it's the best built and best priced crossbar ladder rack on the market. Number two, this thing is going to be shipped to you in a box via FedEx. It's going to be super well packaged. You're not going to get it and have things shooting through the ends of the boxes, damaged, things like that. It's going to be packaged really well. Second, installation is going to be super simple on these gutter mount vans like the Savana Express, even those Ford Econolines. You're just going to have a clamp here that attaches to your little gutters here. Two carriage bolts, 2 bolts. You're going to secure these uprights. Then you can put your crossbars and attach those with 2 included self-threading screws to those uprights. Installation is going to be a breeze. Now, right in the box, this is going to include some accessories for mounting your ladders to the crossbars. Number one, you're going to get your ladder stopper up front. You're usually going to put this on the front crossbar, and that is what you essentially shove your ladder rung up against. It's going to hold it in place. Then you're going to get a ladder guide. This will probably be on your second or last crossbar, which is going to be used to really shove that ladder up against these uprights right here to keep it from shifting and moving around from left to right. Now, some additional accessories you can also get for the H1, as you can see here, we have our rear roller bar, which attaches to your rear crossbar. It's got a little roller bar on the end, so you can just lean the ladder up against the rear of the vehicle, roll that up, and get it on top of the ladder rack. We also have our conduit carrier here from Vantech as well that easily attaches to your crossbars. Now, these crossbars can hold up to 250 pounds each. So if you have a 2-bar system, that's going to be 500 pounds, or 3-bar, 750 pounds. Now, the limiting factor is going to be the weight carrying capacity of the roof from GM. So you just want to double check all your capacities before you start loading 750 pounds on your roof. Now, if you're looking for a great buy on this Vantech H1 ladder rack or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.